2026 Massey Ferguson is here, and it's packed with incredible features. From its sleek exterior to its advanced interior, this tractor is built for power and comfort. Farmers and agriculture enthusiasts will love what this machine brings to the field. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 Massey Ferguson boasts a rugged yet modern look. Its bold grille and strong body structure ensure durability. The aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency. LED headlights provide excellent visibility, even in low-light conditions. Step inside, and you'll be impressed by the spacious, ergonomic cabin. The seats are designed for long hours of comfort. The intuitive dashboard puts all controls within easy reach. A higher resolution display keeps you informed about performance metrics. The climate control system ensures a comfortable working environment in any weather. Performance is where the 2026 Massey Ferguson truly shines. It comes with a powerful engine that delivers unmatched efficiency. The advanced transmission system ensures smooth gear shifts. Hydraulic systems provide precise control for attachments. Whether plowing, hauling, or tilling, this tractor handles it all with ease. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight of this model. The 2026 Massey Ferguson is designed to consume less fuel while delivering maximum power. This makes it a cost-effective choice for farmers. The reduced emissions also make it an eco-friendly option. Technology plays a big role in this tractor. Features like GPS guidance and auto steering enhance precision farming. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to operate advanced functions. Remote monitoring allows you to track performance from anywhere. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Massey Ferguson is competitively priced, offering great value for money. Exact pricing may vary based on location and dealer offers. Expected to range between $35,000 to $45,000, depending on configurations. This tractor is perfect for small to medium-sized farms. Its versatility makes it suitable for various agricultural tasks. The low maintenance requirements add to its appeal. Owners can expect long-term reliability with proper care. The 2026 Massey Ferguson is a game-changer in modern farming. It combines strength, comfort, and smart technology. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a beginner, this tractor is worth considering. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and comfortable tractor, the 2026 Massey Ferguson should be on your list. Don't miss the chance to upgrade your farming experience. Check with your local dealer for test drives and exclusive offers. What do you think about the 2026 Massey Ferguson? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming machinery updates. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews.